Easy and a short setup time by a slightly trained operator. Small lot production. Koyo's latest work rest fixed type centerless grinder. C6040F. C6040F 4 main features. The first feature is the center height automatic adjustment by the NC blade up and down mechanism. Easy NC control adjustment with numeric input of the blade height. Easy blade setup for workpieces by using the automatic blade height adjustment mechanism. In addition, the work pass line becomes constant by the fixed work rest. Follow-up mechanism of the accessory devices is also unnecessary. Setup change is completed immediately without changing the settings of the transport device. The second feature is the guidance setup function. C6040F displays guidance on the touch panel for easy setup. With simple touchscreen numerical input and adjustment amount, operators can easily change the setup in a short time. The third feature is a high-rigidity rotary dresser. The high-rigidity rotary dressers are on both the grinding wheel and the regulating wheel. The high-rigidity rotary dresser significantly reduces the truing time. With the high-rigidity rotary dresser on the regulating wheel, the truing time has been shortened and the grinding accuracy is improved. In addition, it can calculate the most appropriate regulating wheel shape and truing with 2-axis interpolation NC control. The fourth feature is an open control panel layout. The control panel can be laid out in the most appropriate position according to the customer's line configuration. Easy and a short setup time by a slightly trained operator. Small lot production. The latest fixed work rest type centerless grinder. Setup revolution of the centerless grinder will start from this C6040F.